Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last lesson, we learned how to update existing records in a MySQL table using Python. Now in this session, we'll learn how to delete records from a table based on certain conditions using Python. This is helpful when you want to remove duplicate entries, clean up old data, or remove invalid records. Let's get started. Right-click the project folder. Choose New, then click Python file. Let's name it delete_student_record. Right at the top, let's import the required package. We type import mysql.connector and then also type from mysql.connector import error code. This will allow us to connect to MySQL and handle any errors that occur. Now let's create a connection to our database. We define a variable called connection and assign it to mysql.connector. And call the connect method. Inside the parentheses, pass the parameters host parameter equals value localhost, user parameter equals value root. Next, password parameter equals and give your MySQL password. Next, database parameter equals value student_management. Now we have provided the host as localhost, the user as root, the password as whatever you've set, and the target database as student_management. If these credentials are valid and the database exists, you get a live connection object back. If not, an exception will be raised and you'll skip straight to error handling. So make sure the password and database name match what you created earlier. Once connected, you create a cursor. Picture the cursor as your command pen. You don't send raw scale straight to the connection, you hand it to the cursor, which prepares and executes it on the server. Let's create a cursor. Cursor equals connection dot cursor. Then define the delete query. We want to remove a student with a specific ID. Let's say student ID equals 104. We define a variable called delete_query and assign it triple quotes. Inside the quotes, we write delete from students where student_id equals %s. We are telling MySQL, go into the students table and delete the row where the student ID matches a certain value. Notice again that we don't hardcode the ID directly into the SQL. Instead, we use a placeholder, a %s. Then separately, we provide the actual value as data. Create a variable called student_id_value and assign it to open parentheses 104 close parentheses. Now let's execute the query. Type cursor.execute within parentheses delete_query, student_id_value. When we call execute on the cursor, we hand over both parts, the delete statement and the student ID value. The database looks up the students table, finds the row where the ID is 104 and deletes that record. But remember, changes aren't permanent until we commit them. So we call commit on the connection. So let's write connection.commit. To confirm deletion, add a print statement, print student record deleted successfully. That's feedback for the user, so we know the operation worked. Now let's wrap everything with try, except, and finally blocks. Start with try : and paste everything we wrote so far inside this try block. Then define an error handler block, except followed by mysql.connector. And import the built-in class error and give alias as error and then colon. Inside this block, we simply print within parentheses f string error : then error variable. And finally, we clean up resources. We write finally block : if keyword followed by connection dot, call the function is _connected. Then close the cursor and the connection. Cursor dot close. Connection dot close. This is good practice. Always release resources when you are done. This block runs no matter what happens, whether the code succeeds or fails. It's perfect for cleaning up resources like database connections. Let's now run the Python script. You will see this message on the console, student record deleted successfully. To verify, open your MySQL workbench. Select rows from the students table. You can notice the record with ID 104 is now gone. Great job. The deletion was successful. Now, if you want to delete all the records from the table, you can remove the where clause. If you remove the where clause completely, then MySQL will delete every single row from that table. So instead of saying delete from students where student ID equals 104, the query would simply say delete from students. This means delete all the records inside the students table, but keep the table structure itself intact. The table will still exist, same columns, same schema, just completely empty, ready for new data. This can be useful when you want to wipe data during testing or reset the table before inserting fresh records. But be careful, without a where clause, the deletion is permanent and all student information inside that table will be gone. Let's recap. In this lesson, we learned how to delete a specific row from a MySQL table using Python. We used the delete statement with a placeholder for student ID. We passed the value as a tuple, then executed the query and committed the transaction. We also added proper error handling and safely closed the connection. Delete with a where clause removes specific rows. Delete without a where clause removes all rows from the table. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.